Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Stellar Lumens. We're going to be analyzing the charts of Stellar, seeing what's happening with the price, where we could be going in the immediate short term. If you like these kind of videos, you guys know what to do. Smash that like button, come join the Crypto ZX army. Now let's get right into it. If we're looking at Stellar's price right now, it is currently trading at 0.095 cents. We're down about 0.7% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also down about 1.2% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, the market cap is currently sitting at $2.5 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is also currently sitting at $33 million. So not bad. You know, in my personal opinion, the overall market valuation for Stellar is quite impressive, despite the fact that altcoin market hasn't even heated up yet. So now we're going to analyze the chart and see what is happening with XLM and where the price could be going in the immediate short term. As always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at Stellar right now, holding really well. And now you may be saying, are you out of your mind right now? And let me tell you exactly what I mean. Remember, as I've mentioned to you guys, altcoins, so basically altcoins right now, majority of them are not doing quite well, and they're not moving up. They're not seeing those moves that we're used to seeing in a bull market. And that begs the question, what type of bull market is this? Oh, Crypto ZX, are we actually in a bull market? Yes, we are in a bull market. And now the reason as to why I'm saying that is because look at Bitcoin, the king of the markets. You know, it's sitting at some levels that are quite impressive. And, you know, we have not seen that since almost, June of last year. So with that said, Bitcoin is going absolutely insane. And that's the king of the markets. And that is a deciding factor and, you know, a massive factor when we're analyzing the charts to see if we're in a bull market or not. And yes, we are definitely in a bull market. But altcoins, on the other hand, are not in a bull market as of now because the index is still quite high, meaning majority of the money is flowing into Bitcoin right now rather than altcoins. But now comes the question, why is, I mentioned earlier, I'm liking what I'm seeing with XLM, and I'll share that with you guys. So obviously we did see XLM react to the Bitcoin dominance index skyrocketing, which has caused a lot of altcoins to retrace towards the downside. And you can see, it is currently sitting at 9.5 cents, and we are being supported exactly where we want to be supported at. This is exactly what we want to be seeing, because you guys can see when we were on the move towards the upside, we were finding ourselves find a little bit of a resistance, as you can see this for yourself. And now exactly where the price is consolidating is around that level of resistance, which now is playing as a level of support, and that is what we want to be seeing happening. And obviously the next leg up for XLM would be obviously when we break above that level of resistance and actually create a new yearly high. And if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, that is still a move of about 20%. But I could see that happening, guys. I could definitely see that happening as soon as Bitcoin dominance were to kind of cool off and altcoin season does begin. XLM could make some massive strides across the board, and this community is huge. And if this XRP lawsuit were not to come to an end, guess what other project that, outside, I'm a huge XRP, believer. I'm a huge fan of XRP. But to be quite frank with you guys, companies are going to start looking, and, investors are going to start looking elsewhere. And Stellar Lumens, with a lower market cap than XRP, is going to be very, appealing to a lot of investors. Look at its market cap history. So if we go look at its market cap history, it had an all-time high, guys. Let's go. All-time high market cap was $16.6 billion last year. And where are we currently sitting at? $2.5 billion. And we're currently ranked at the top 29 spot, and that speaks a lot. This number should not be taken with a grain of salt. That shows strength of Stellar. That shows people are interested, and it's not fluctuating in the overall market rank. So that shows the strength for itself. And even if it remains in this spot, it could be headed to some crazy levels this bull cycle. I'm very confident that Stellar Lumens is going to be one of the good performers this bull cycle, but obviously time is going to tell. But I'm liking what I'm seeing. I'm going to be quite frank with you guys. I'm actually liking what I'm seeing. Obviously, when we pull out the bigger charts, things are looking absolutely crazy. Like what? Stellar Lumens barely seems like it has moved. But remember, the resistance that I'm talking about to you guys, once we broke out of that resistance previous cycle, which was on November 22nd of last year, 2020, look what happened to XLM. It went absolutely crazy. So this is why I keep saying, we need to see the price of XLM break out of this level of resistance and start hitting some yearly highs. And that's where the excitement really will begin. But so far, so good. Obviously, if Bitcoin were to go down, obviously we need to keep that factor in mind. Also, if Bitcoin goes down, we could potentially see the price of XLM start heading down to that 8.6 cents mark. But, again, if you believe in this project, you want to be dollar cost averaging in around these prices rather than picking it up when it has pumped up a lot. But still, at the beginning of the year, if you were picking up some Stellar, let's put that into perspective. I always like showing this. Picked it up at the beginning of the year, you're already up about 34%, which again is quite impressive. Obviously, it's not those 100x, 100% gains, but gain is a gain. That is it for today's update. Let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price going, and love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.